So this is the start of day 2. I'm not sure what we're doing yet. I think we're gonna pack up really quick, move spots, do some exploring. Got my coffee setup going. Not going yet, but setting up. Jay's doing a little bit of breakfasty stuff. Daniela's awake. And Robin's being a nuisance again. She said, what? No. Robin. It's just your food this time.
Like she legit looked like she was looking up into the hot grass. Even you putting the other food inside.
Honestly, it was whole last night, so I don't think it's
Robin, don't go too far.
And that's your cup of coffee. Change of plans. Just caught the lazy bug to the full extent. We're just gonna hang out, do a little bit of nearby hiking, explore the nearby area, and then chill for today. Tomorrow we're just gonna do a full excursion day and explore the grounds with the trucks and have some fun. Let's check what's up. What's going on over here? Pa. Up. Spin. Sit. Down. 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 Good girl. Bang. 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 No. Lay down. 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 Bang. Good girl. I totally just missed everything that just happened. Closing out day 2 here, just cooking up dinner. Got some steaks. Yeah. Now we're just letting them rest. They look pretty good. Hopefully got a little medium rare action going on. And yeah, let's go see what the other guys are up to, eh? Jeez, man, what we got going on? Shrimp fajitas on this side. Cool, it's been about 8-10 minutes. I think we're okay. There's hella yellow jackets around here. That's a Looking pretty good. Robin, no. Thanks. Fajitas. He just woke up from his nap. She got fed.
She's on the DJ guy.
I told you to use the serving spoon of the tiny one.
Like,
So we just got super bored. We're probably just gonna go roll over this water crossing a couple times and then have some fun. Let's go. I got kind of sketchy feeling, dude. Whoo, that was a really good adrenaline rush going there. Yeah, so that's breaking the cherry on the Tacoma tonight. Breaking the water crossing cherry. So from here on, I think we're just gonna turn out and then, I don't know, play some cards, go to sleep, and then wake up, rinse and repeat, hit those water crossings, and then explore more of Tahoe. And we're out of here after that. See you guys in the morning. Good night.